Welcome to the future. C#, a powerful and versatile language. C# is an object-oriented, high-level programming language from Microsoft's .NET Framework language family. Due to its unique features, this language has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Some of the key features of C# are: object orientation. C# is based on the concepts of object orientation, which allows you to design and develop complex programs efficiently. Multi-pattern. C# supports different programming patterns such as functional, imperative, generic, object-oriented and component-oriented programming. Simplicity. C# is easy to learn because of its simple syntax and high readability. Powerful. C# is a powerful language that can be used to develop all kinds of applications including desktop, web, mobile and games. Strong support. C# is supported by Microsoft and has a large community of developers. Applications of C#. Development of desktop applications. C# along with powerful frameworks such as WinForms, WPF, and UWP are used to develop Windows desktop applications. Web application development. ASP.NET MVC and ASP.NET Core are two popular frameworks for developing web applications with C#. Mobile app development. Xamarin is a popular platform for developing Android, iOS, and Windows Phone mobile apps with C. Game development. Unity is a popular game engine that uses C to develop various games. Learning C. There are many educational resources for learning C online and offline. Popular books for learning C#. C# in a nutshell. Head first. C# CLR via C#. The C# programming language was designed and developed by a team of engineers led by Anders Hegelsberg at Microsoft. Hegelsberg, who was also the designer of the Delphi programming language, started working on C# in 1999. Some of the key people in the C# development team are Anders Hegelsberg, the main designer of C# language, Scott Meyer, chief architect of the .NET Framework Jeff Richter, author of numerous books on C# and .NET Mark Russell, one of the main designers of C# language Mike Barr. One of the main designers of the .NET Framework. Microsoft is actively involved in the development and support of the C# language. The company regularly releases new versions of the C language and the .NET Framework. In addition to Microsoft, other companies and organizations also play a role in the development and support of C#. Some of these companies and organizations are Xamarin, the company that developed the Xamarin platform for developing mobile applications with C# Unity, the company that developed the Unity game engine to develop various games with C# JetBrains, a company that has developed several development tools for C# such as ReSharper and Rider. There is a large community of C# developers around the world. This community is actively involved in the development and support of the C# language, as well as sharing their knowledge and experiences with each other. C# has many opponents in the world of programming. Some of the main opponents of C# are Java, a popular and powerful language that is widely used to develop web, mobile, and desktop applications. Python, a simple and easy-to-learn language that is increasingly used for web application development, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. C++, a powerful and efficient language widely used for developing system programs, games, and heavy applications. JavaScript, a popular language that is widely used to develop front-end web applications and mobile applications. PHP, a popular language widely used for developing dynamic web applications. Choosing the right programming language depends on your needs and preferences. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing a programming language. Application. What kind of application do you want to develop? Learnability. How much time and effort do you need to learn a programming language? Community. How large and active is the programming language developer community? Support. How much support is there for the programming language by different companies and organizations? Here is a summary of C# pros and cons compared to some of its opponent. Advantages of C#. Powerful and efficient. C# is a powerful and efficient language that can be used to develop complex programs. Multipurpose. C# can be used to develop a variety of applications, including desktop, web, mobile, and games. Strong support. C# is supported by Microsoft and has a large community of developers. Powerful development tools. There are powerful development tools like Visual Studio for C#. Disadvantages of C#. It is more difficult to learn than some other languages like Python. It may not be suitable for some front-end web applications. Ultimately, choosing the right programming language depends on your needs and preferences. C# is a powerful and versatile language with many advantages. If you are looking for a language that you can use to develop all kinds of programs, C# is a great choice. Some examples of programs that can be made with C# are desktop programs, office programs such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, graphic programs such as Photoshop and Illustrator, game programs, specialized applications such as medical and engineering software, web applications, static and dynamic websites, web applications such as online stores and content management systems, web services, mobile applications, Android and iOS apps, Windows Phone apps, games, 2D and 3D games, mobile games, online games. In addition, C# can be used to develop applications in various fields such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things. Some of the popular tools for developing C# programs are Visual Studio, Microsoft's popular IDE for developing C# applications, Visual Studio Code, Microsoft's source code editor for C# Mono, an open-source platform for developing C# applications, Xamarin, a platform for developing mobile applications with C#. Choosing the right tool for developing C# programs depends on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a powerful IDE, Visual Studio is a great choice. If you're looking for a lightweight source code editor, Visual Studio Code is a good choice. If you want to run C# programs on different operating systems, Mono is a good option. If you want to build mobile apps with C#, Xamarin is a great option.